Hi everybody, so I want to show you how I use the app InShot to edit my videos. So start playing it.
Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how I refresh my curls.
Alright, so this is a lot of just spraying, so what I could do is go to this button here called Split. Go to a place where I want to stop. About right here. And I'll click on this section and go to speed. And I'll speed that up to, here's around 4. So now it goes a lot faster. Also, there's unwanted noise in this clip. So I'll go to volume. This clip I'll just completely turn it down so you don't hear that spray noise.
You can twist these pieces. This helps get more of a beachy look.
My voice is also pretty soft, so I like to turn up the sections where I'm speaking to 200%. That part of me sniffing my nose or scratching my nose, I could just do split. And do the split again and click on that section and delete. Now it's not there anymore.
If you want, you could add more gel. I like to use Monet's Flexible Hold Gel. You don't need very much of this.
There's a lot of me just not speaking there. I could do the split button again. Cut that section out.
Hold gel. You don't need very much of this. Just about a pea size amount.
And these sections just me breathing, so I could do split, go to where I want to stop, turn down the volume. You don't need to hear me breathing. And if you want to add music, go back to, make sure you go back to the beginning, go to tracks, make sure you go to edit and volume down to about 1 to 2%, and then you have music. So that's all about I do when editing my videos. Just a quick, easy thing you could do. That doesn't take much effort. Usually it takes me about 30 to 40 minutes to edit a video.